Hi, dear teachers, my dear students, and my friends. Today I would like to teach you about the past perfect continuous tense. It is used for an action that began before a certain point and was going on for some time. What is the structure of past perfect continuous tense? Subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus phrase. Here we use the verb V4. V4 is nothing but V1 plus ing form. Here V1 plus ing is called present participle. Okay. Now let us know about the structure. Here we use since and for. These are the prepositions that we use in this tense. Once again, let us repeat the structure. Subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus since or for plus phrase. Okay. The action started in the past and continued for some time and it is ended in the past itself. The action started in the past and it is continued for some time and it was ended in the past. This is the point that we have to remember regarding past perfect continuous tense. Okay, the action started in the past and it was continued for some time and ended after some time. The opening of the time was not given in this structure, but the ending of the time is mentioned in this structure. For example, let's see. Suppose if you take the clues when, since, before. These are the clues in order to identify the tense which is in the past perfect continuous. Okay, let us go through some statements. Okay. Now I had been reading the newspaper till yesterday. I had been reading the newspaper till yesterday. I had been waiting for you till yesterday. I had been doing this work before you came here. I had been completing my task since you met me. In this way, you can use some clues such as since, before and till in order to speak about the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, let's see some more examples which are related to the past perfect continuous tense. I had been writing the exam for 2 hours. We had been writing the exam for 2 hours. You had been writing the exam for 2 hours. They had been writing the exam for 2 hours. He had been writing the exam for 2 hours. She had been writing the exam for 2 hours. It had been writing the exam for 2 hours. Charan had been writing the exam for 2 hours. Srijan had been writing the exam for 2 hours. Lata had been writing the exam for 2 hours. Mokshagnya had been writing the exam for 2 hours. Okay. Instead of for, you can use since to express a point of time. Here, for should be used to express a period of time. Okay. I hope you have understood this tense very clearly. In my next session, I will come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.